Hello, welcome to another video. Have you ever had days where all you want to do is lie in bed and do absolutely nothing? No responsibilities, no plans, no thoughts about getting things done? Just a deep sense of exhaustion and complete lack of motivation. We've all had days like that. All of us feel lazy, unmotivated, or uninspired from time to time, and that's completely normal. But we live in an overly competitive society, one that constantly promotes success, money, and productivity. That's why, even when we rest, we often feel guilty for not doing something useful. When you constantly push yourself to the point of burnout and live with chronic stress, it's only natural for your mental and emotional health to suffer. But here's an important question. What if this isn't just laziness? What if it's something deeper than simple fatigue? In this video, we'll look at 6 warning signs of depression that are often mistaken for laziness. Sign 1. You can't pull yourself out of it. Laziness usually shows up after you've been under a lot of pressure or working non-stop for a long time. In those cases, there are plenty of quick fixes: making a to-do list, listening to motivational talks, or setting small, achievable goals. Depression is different. Depression is not a choice. It's not something you can fix with willpower or thinking positive, no matter how often people tell you to just try harder or snap out of it. Depression is a serious mental illness and sometimes requires professional treatment or even medication. It can also come back in episodes throughout life, often needing months of care and support. Sign 2. You can't make yourself feel better. Do you often feel lonely, sad, or hopeless without knowing why? Are you constantly tired, like you've run out of energy completely? You might feel low, but you can't find a clear reason for it. And no matter what you try, sleeping more, eating comfort food, self-care, or spending time with friends, nothing really helps. When you're dealing with depression, even the things that once brought you joy or being around loved ones can't lift that heavy feeling. Sign 3. You've lost interest in everything. According to the American Psychological Association, a significant loss of interest or pleasure in activities is one of the core symptoms of depression. If your lack of motivation has made you indifferent towards school, work, hobbies, or even your future, this can be a serious warning sign. With depression, people slowly lose interest in what they love and begin to withdraw from others. You may prefer staying at home and lying in bed simply because you no longer have the energy or motivation to care. Sign 4. You can't function like you used to. Do you feel like this low energy is out of your control? Has it negatively affected your work, studies, or relationships? If the answer to even one of these questions is yes, depression may be the cause. Mental health professionals often use something called the 4 Ds to identify disorders: deviance, distress, danger, and dysfunction. If this state is interfering with your daily life and feels like a constant obstacle, it's time to talk to a mental health professional. Sign 5. Your laziness has no clear cause. Laziness usually shows up as procrastination and often has clear reasons: low self-confidence, lack of encouragement, poor discipline, or disinterest. But depression is different. What causes it? The truth is, psychologists still don't have one definite answer. What we do know is that depression usually doesn't come from just one factor. Sometimes there's no obvious reason at all. So if feelings of sadness, low energy, and hopelessness appear suddenly, depression could be involved. Sign 6. This isn't your choice. The biggest difference between laziness and depression is this: laziness can be changed, but depression isn't that simple. If you're just tired or unmotivated, you can rest, find inspiration, or try productivity techniques. But when you're depressed, you didn't choose to feel this way or to stay stuck in it. Many people with depression experience intense guilt, shame, and feelings of helplessness. No one becomes depressed for attention. Mental illnesses are far deeper and more complex than that. Did any of these signs relate to you? If you or someone you know is experiencing severe depression, please seek help from a professional. If you found this video helpful and think it could help others too, don't forget to like and share it. For more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.